all. Today I am the student of class 9 from PM Shri KV number 2 Saga Madhya Pradesh. I would like to speak about automatic timing bell under the Viksit Bharat. An automatic timing bell system is an innovative and time-saving idea designed to manage school periods efficiently without human intervention. In most schools, ringing the bell manually at the beginning and end of each period can sometimes lead to delay or errors. This system offers a perfect solution by automating the entire process. The automatic bell system works through a microcontroller or computer-based timer. The system is programmed with the school's daily schedule, including periods, break, assembly, and dispersal time. Once the schedule is set, the bell ringing automatically at the exact time without the need for a peon or any manual operation. The system can be electronic circuit, relays, or digital timer to trigger the bell sound. The innovation not only ensures accuracy and punctuality but also reduce human effort and dependently it maintains discipline among students and teachers by providing a consistent routine. In advanced version, the system can be connected to a computer or mobile app, allowing administrator to easily update or change the bell schedule as needed. Moreover, it can be powered by solar energy to make it eco-friendly and cost-effective. The bell sound can also be customized for different periods such as short bell for class changes and longer ones for lunch breaks. In conclusion, the automatic school timing bell system is a smart, reliable and efficient solution for modern schools. It saves time, improves management, promotes discipline and how technology can simplify everyday tasks in educational institutions. Such a system affect the spirit of innovation and support the goal of developing smart and digital campuses in the 21st century. Thank you and have a nice day.